Good morning and welcome to AHR 2026 in Las Vegas. My name is Johan Gouws. I'm the Director of Distribution and Sales for Tecumseh Products. This morning I'm going to be talking about our new ARGUS A2L outdoor condensing unit portfolio that we've recently launched. 1/2 through 6 horsepower models are available immediately, and we're expanding the portfolio from 7 to 13 horsepower later in 2026. We've also launched our CRIOS A2L unit cooler portfolio as well that matches perfectly with the ARGUS outdoor units. Both are available immediately. If you need more information, please reach out to your local Tecumseh sales representative or visit our website at www.tecumseh.com for more product information, technical specifications, and item code information. Thank you.